Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram notification not showing. For this you have to go for your profile, click on in this tree line, go for settings and privacy. Now go for notifications, go for post and stories and comment. You have to allow all these things on or for everyone. Okay, you have to allow all these things which is off. Okay, then again go for following and followers. You have to on all these options from here, and messages, and you can see, and calls. You have to allow it uh, on your choice, but you have to allow all these things. Just don't go for off, and after that just go for your Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and that's it. After that you can get all notifications from Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.